everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 353 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this AOA Studio Velour highlighter to try out. And so I picked this up in the shade Lucky, but it comes in 12 different shades. I'm a little concerned because this looks a lot darker in person. Online it looked like a nice beige light highlight that would be good for my fair skin, but now in person this is looking a lot more bronze, so hopefully this will be an okay color for me. And so this is from ShopMissA, so it's only $1 and it's cruelty free. So let's start out by swatching this. Ooh yeah, it's such a nice texture. I love mousse products. So it is like squishy and bouncy. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and see how it looks on my skin. Oh. So it does look maybe a little bit orangey on my skin, but maybe it'll be okay. It has really beautiful shine to it. But even if this isn't a perfect shade for my skin highlight, this can also be used as an eyeshadow, as a body highlight, like for the collarbone. So there are other uses for this other than just this standard highlight, but that's where I'm going to try applying it first. And this is just so easy to apply with my finger. That's my preferred way to apply this type of textured highlight. But you could definitely use like a sponge, but it looks really nice just applied with my finger right now. But wow, this is so beautiful, so bright. Like the way it's catching the light looks so good. And oh my gosh, this mousse texture looks amazing on the skin. It just looks so smooth, like it just looks like it's part of my skin. And I actually am loving how this color is looking. Because it reflects the light in that more silvery tone, I feel like it is working really nicely with my more fair complexion. And so I don't feel like you can see that orangey or yellow tint, like as if there's a stripe of yellow orange on my skin. It doesn't look that way at all, like I was concerned it might. But no, this actually looks amazing. Wow, it's so pigmented, like such a blinding highlight, but it also looks pretty natural because of the way it's sitting on the skin. This is actually reminding me a lot of that e.l.f. jelly highlighter, and I love that highlighter, and I mean that one's pretty inexpensive, but I would say this is practically a dollar store dupe for that. If you want to see my review on the e.l.f. jelly highlighter, I will link my video down below for that. This is just so beautiful. I tried some dollar store highlighters recently that just did not work well, so I'm just so happy and encouraged by this one right now because it looks perfect. Like, it's giving me such a gorgeous glow. It looks so enhancing to my skin. And let me get up close to try and show you how it's sitting on my skin. Like, it looks probably like one of the best highlights I've ever seen on my skin. It's not emphasizing texture. It doesn't even look like there's a product there. Like, it doesn't look like there's anything besides skin, yet there's that gorgeous glow, but it's also not sparkly, so it doesn't look like a fake line of sparkle. Wow. I can't believe that this is only $1. This to me is so beautiful that this could be a high-end product. This is such a high-rated product on the ShopMissA website, and I can understand why. I think that this could be my favorite highlighter I've ever tried, and I've tried so many highlighters, but this is just perfection on the skin. I feel like I need to go back and buy this in a bunch of different colors because I love it that much. I feel like I need all 12 of them. How could I ever go a day without having this beautiful glow on my skin? Like, how could I reach for anything else when I've seen how amazing this looks? Like, that's how I'm feeling right now. If you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend it. This was recommended to me as well, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. If you've tried this before, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it, and I'd love to know what colors you've tried in this because, like I said, I'm gonna buy some more colors of this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.